Hey friends, this is a super fun book called Yes Day, and it's about one day every year when you get to hear yes all day long. Let's read about it. Yes Day. Can we buy this book? Yes! Yes Day by AmyKrouse Rosenthal and Tom Lichtenheld. Today is my favorite day of the year. Yes Day! Just watch, you'll see what I mean. Can I please have pizza for breakfast? Yum. Can I use your hair gel? Say cheese. Can I clean my room tomorrow? Can I pick? Oh, and look what he loaded the grocery cart with. Sugar cereal. Can we get ice cream? Can I eat lunch outside? I love that he's on a ladder eating his lunch through the window. Can we have a food fight? What? Oh my goodness. And they are having a food fight. Can we invent our own game? Oh, look at how many ping pong balls. Can I have a piggyback ride? Can Mario come over for dinner? Oh, look at the cat. Can we stay up really late? I love that they're looking at the stars. Does this day have to end? And of course the answer is yes. Yes. The end of Yes Day. I hope you liked that story. It's a really fun one.